Hey guys, it's me again, Teacher Alex. So, Thursday you had your Zoom lesson. That's why this week there is only 4 videos because your Zoom lesson covers one lesson. Your Zoom lesson is a lesson. So this video says Week 7, Episode 4. Week 7, Episode 4. Teacher Alex wants to tell you one thing. I need some help. If you are at home and you have some headphones, can you use your headphones? When I talk in the classroom, I shout really loud so you can hear, but still when I record, it's very, very quiet. Even if I use this microphone, it's still very quiet, and I'm worried that you can't hear. Please, can you use your headphones? I can't shout all the time because my throat is starting to hurt, okay? Now, in this lesson, we are going to look at the grammar book. We are going to look at the answers in the grammar book, just like we would do in classroom. And we are also going to look at a worksheet. This worksheet, let me show you. Boom, okay? Okay, first I want to play a quick game. I have a box here. What does my box say? It says mystery box. I'm going to pull out some words, okay? And then you will make a sentence. With my words, okay? The first word is run. Can you say run? Run. Now, quick question. Is run present tense or past tense? It is present tense. Because there's no ed. Now let's make a sentence with run. Can you put this in a sentence? Pause if you need more time. I can run. He can run. Let's go for a run. I like to run. Good. Right, I'm going to choose 2 more. Kick. Is this word present tense or past tense? Kick. You need to tell me, is this present tense or past tense? Press pause if you need more time. In football, we kick the ball. Kick the ball far, far away. In karate, you kick. Good. Okay guys, today we are doing something different. We are looking at the answers together. Last week I collected your grammar books. You are all doing amazing, very good. I just want to make sure that you understand because some of these words are quite
difficult, quite hard, okay? Now, let's turn to page 24. Page 24 in the grammar book. Good. Right. Can you read number one? Read number one. My class very or visits. My class visits a museum. Make sure in the book you have underlined the word visits. And if you did, give it a tick. What does visits mean? Visits means go. You went to a museum, and we use the word visits. All of these are present tense or past tense. Do you know? Present tense. Why? Because it's something happening now. Something you can do right now. And there's no ed at the end of the word. Remember our secret. No ed means present tense, something happening now. And if you forget, you can always look at the top of the page, okay? I'm gonna go a little bit faster. Number 2. What's number 2? Can you tell me? Shout out the answer. Talks is the answer. A scientist talks to us. Make sure you have this underlined in your book, okay? Talks. We're not going to use twice because twice is not even a verb. Right, talks means talks. Alex talks to the iPad when I teach. It's the same. Good. Make sure this is ticked. Number 3. Can you read number 3? 1, 2, 3. We listen to her. Listen. Are you? Listen. Good. Just tick. You should listen. Remember, we use this word a lot. Now, number 4. She shows us fossils. Okay? Shows mean to show so your friend can see. This picture here is a fossil. Good. Tick. Number 5. What's the answer? We see some old bones. Good. Then the last one is we with or watch. This is easy, right? Because we're talking about a movie. So you can only watch a movie. We watch a movie about dinosaurs. Well done. Good job. Now, let's move on to the next part. Look at each pair of words on the right. Write the present tense action verb in the blank. Okay, so what are we doing? We are writing present tense. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Right, remember, no ed. Our class goes back to school. I read about dinosaurs, okay? Number 9. What's number 9? Now this one's quite difficult. What's a report? Do you know what a report is? It's when you write something down in a book about something important, like numbers or an important story. You'll learn about this more when you're older, okay? Just remember, report is a type of book. And what do we do in a book? We write. Good. Now, number 10. Let's read number 10 together. A picture of the dinosaur. Easy peasy. Do we down or draw? Down is not even a verb. you can't down. You can sit down, but not just down. Look at the word a picture. A picture, you need to draw a picture. Good. Tick, tick. If you get these right, please tick. Now, number 11. Number 11. We ride on a bus. We ride on a bus. You sit down on a bus and ride it like when you're on a horse. Okay.
Hey guys, now let's look at page 25. Page 25 in the grammar book, okay? We will look at these answers together. First thing, you are doing amazing, okay? Keep it up. Keep up this amazing work. We need to finish this so we can do something different, okay? Can you do this for me? Yes, you can. Now, plant, plant, walk, play, hand, cover, laugh. What tense are these? Do you know? Question, are these present tense or past tense? Present tense, good. Why? Because there is no ed, no ed. Plant, what is plant? I will plant a flower in the ground. Plant, just like in this picture, means to put a seed in the ground so it grows like a flower or rice. You can plant a seed and it will grow. How do we make this word past tense? Add ed. Past tense, add ed. P-L-A-N-T-E-D. Okay, so how can we make this? How can we use this word in a sentence? Past tense is something that has already happened, like yesterday, last week, last month. We can say, yesterday I planted a flower in my garden. I planted a flower in my garden, okay? Now look at this. Plus ed, correct. Walk. I walk. I walk. I walk. Okay, this is present tense. How do we make it past tense? What do we do? What do we do? We add ed. Good. W-A-L-K-E-D. Walked. Walked. We added ed. Yesterday I walked at the gym. Yesterday I walked at the gym on the treadmill. You know the treadmill? There's a machine in the gym. Yes. Yesterday I walked at the gym on the treadmill. Okay, did you get this correct? If you did, please tick. Please tick. Okay. Play, play. What is the answer? How do we make this past tense? We add ed, 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 ed. Past tense, ed, ed. Past tense, ed, ed, ed. Played. How do we spell played? P-L-A-Y-E-D. Okay. Tick. Last month, you played at the school in the classroom with your friends. Good. Hand, hand. This hand, is this a hand? Yes, this is a hand. But it also means something else. For example, hand in your homework in the box, in the box. Hand in means to give, to give. What about if I want it past tense? What do? We add ed. Remember, past tense, ed, ed, ed. Present tense, no ed, no ed, no ed. Present tense is now. Present tense is now. Good. But I want to change this to past tense. And we add ed. How do we spell handed? Handed. We're nearly finished. Wow. Okay. Cover is present tense because there is no ed. How do we make cover past tense? Easy, right? Covered. What does cover mean? Remember, I told you already. Cover means to put something on top of you. When I sleep, I have a duvet. It covers you, okay? Yesterday, I slept with my duvet. It was cold, so I covered myself. Laugh. I can laugh. Ha 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 ha. How do we make it past tense? We add ed. Okay, now just have a moment and look at these words. What do these present words have in the common? What makes them the same? And what do these past tense words have that look the same? Easy. Look, these words have no ed, but these words have ed, okay? Very easy. Please remember.